Hello guys, welcome back to Swati Design Studio. So in this video we are going to learn interior design render. So let's start our video. So first we have to go for extension, then select Vray option, then go for asset editor, and then here what we have to do, which a graphics card how much you are having, according to that we have to select the engine speed. So CUDA, if you will select the render, it will happen by using the CPU as well as your graphics card. If you will select RTX, now I am having RTX speed, so it is higher configuration and the speed it is high, so I'll select the RTX speed, and then quality I'll select the high plus. So if you want to cross check, you can give it is low. Now I have to give final render. Already I have given everything, so everything settings I have set, so I'll go for the high plus setting. And then if you want to cross check the render, you can go for progressive mode, otherwise you can turn off this. Now for now we don't want, so we will off it, and then quality we will give high plus, and then engine RTX. So next setting we have to do it is as a update effect. So update effect we have to give at the end. Now, and if you don't have graphics card, you can give it is CPU engine. You can select it as a CPU, and then you can go for quality high plus, and then it takes more time for CPU, but nothing to worry. And then update effect you have to give at the end. If you want to cross check, you can give it as a rapid or anything. And then denoiser option it should be on. It will remove the noise from your drawing, and the render it will come very good. So next, save frame. Now the room, if it is shorter or it is smaller, you can choose it as a 1:1 square, or else if it is wider you can go for the widescreen. Now I have more enough space, so I have selected it as a widescreen aspect ratio, and the standard value for aspect ratio image width you can give it as a 2000, and if you want more quality you can give it as a 3000 4000 accordingly. So I will give now for now 3000, and by default automatically height it will capture once if you enter the width value. So 3000 I have entered, automatically it has captured the value. So everything I have set. Once if you on the Vray denoiser option, automatically here right hand side denoiser option, automatically it will get on, so no need to set anything for the right hand side settings. And so here left hand side you will get the Vray Cosmos option, so you can see here. So once if I on the Vray denoiser, automatically this denoiser it will get on. So Vray Cosmos, what it will do, so in that we can enter ready material, Vray material we called it as, and again we can import the ready 3D models for our drawing, furniture, decor items, anything you can import. In 3D warehouse what it will happen, we can enter the 3D ready model, but we need to modify them. We need to change the color or anything according to our choice. But in the Cosmos case, we don't need to change anything. So whatever imported things here you can see, lamps, that plant, that chair, everything I have imported from the Vray Cosmos. The settings already they have set, so our work it will reduce, and it is very much good quality material we are having and models. So here you can check the final render. Already I have rendered this drawing, but now I have given the render for present scene, so you can check. See, it will take few time, so you can see the render model. I hope you have understand, nothing to worry. It is a very simple settings. You can go for engine, you can either choose CPU as if you don't have the graphics card, and if you have graphics card up to 2 GB or 4 GB, you can go for CUDA. And if you have RTX speed graphics card, then you can easily go for RTX speed. And then to cross check you can order progressive mode, or else you can go for directly, you can turn off the progressive mode, and you can go for the high plus, and at the end and you can give the aspect ratio as a 2000 standard value. So here see it's going on. Almost 10 to 15% render it has happened, and then it will take more time. So we will directly go for the final render. I'll show that. And if you want your render as a more fast, so you can turn off your internet or Wi-Fi, whatever you are using. It will reduce your render speed, so you can turn off that, and then you can go proceed for your render option. If you want to stop the render, you can go for abort render. Now I want to show, already I have rendered the things, because it is taking time and the video it will go more longer. So I'll abort the render. I will stop for now, and then you can go for that. You can check that. I hope you have understand everything. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box. I'll solve definitely whatever your issues or doubts. So it's going on. I'll show the final render. So here I have saved it on desktop, so you can check it. So this is the final render. Whatever things I have explained to you, everything I have imported from the Vray Cosmos, and then background, whatever furniture things you can see that I have done in SketchUp. I have done modeling for the wooden, that texture, background, everything. Just I have imported the furnitures from the Vray Cosmos. And the light effect, I have not given anything, just I have changed the intensity for that. Already they have given with setting everything, curtains, that lamps, rug, everything. So you can check. This is the final interior render, and you can also do the same thing. So go for that, do the 3D modeling, import the Vray Cosmos 3D models as well as material, and then the texture things I have already explained in one video. You can go for SketchUp playlist and you can check for that video. You will get architecture as a extension warehouse. From that you can import so many beautiful textures option you will get, that you can import easily. The room will become very much beautiful if you add that textures. So thanks for the watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.